Panasonic microwave model NN-SE985S troubleshooting. Reheat food quickly with this 2.3 cubic feet Panasonic countertop microwave. The inverter technology provides a constant stream of power to evenly cook foods, and the Genius sensor detects the amount of steam produced to cook a dish with precision. This 1250W Panasonic countertop microwave has an interactive menu screen that provides instructions to assist your preparation. Troubleshooting. Inverter microwave ovens by Panasonic differ from traditional microwave ovens because of their constant power level. There are a variety of inverter models, but most of the basic features are the same. If problems arise, troubleshooting can help identify possible causes. Most issues can be resolved easily at home. Step 1. Check the power cord if the oven will not turn on. It may not be plugged in securely. Remove the plug from the outlet and wait 10 seconds. Plug the cord back in the wall outlet. Step 2. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box if the microwave will not turn on. Replace any blown fuses. Reset tripped circuits. Step 3. Make sure the door is completely closed if the oven will not start cooking. The unit will not start if the door is not secure. Step 4. Press the start button if the oven does not start cooking. After programming a cooking setting, the oven will not turn on until start is pressed. Step 5. Press stop reset if the control panel buttons are not working. If another program is already entered into the keypad, it will not allow a second program to be entered. Pressing stop reset clears the current program. Step 6. Remove the glass tray and roller ring if the glass tray wobbles during a cooking cycle. The tray is not correctly positioned. Wipe the tray and roller with a damp cloth to remove any foreign material. Reset the roller ring properly and set the glass tray on top so the grooves in the glass line up with the rollers. Step 7. If lock appears on the display, you must disable the child lock. Press function, then press 5 to select child lock. Press 2 to turn the child lock off.